Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have another candy review for you. Reese's Ultimate Peanut Butter Lovers Peanut Butter Cup. This isn't really new, but it's kind of new. I had a lot of trouble trying to find these. I've been wanting to do the video on these forever. I got these at Walmart the other day. So let's hurry up and get to taste testing this. Automatically smell that peanut butter. And now for the taste test. Peanut butter. It tastes just like you would think. No chocolate and all Reese's peanut butter. Are they good? Yes. But would I buy them again? If somebody gave them to me, I wouldn't turn them down. I like peanut butter. But whenever I want a Reese's, I want, the chocolate covered peanut butter cup. That's what I want whenever I'm craving a Reese's. If I was craving just peanut butter, I would go and get a spoon and start digging into my peanut butter jar. But also, this doesn't taste like peanut butter straight out of the jar. It tastes like peanut butter from a Reese's cup. This isn't like regular peanut butter. I'm sure this is peanut butter mixed with confectioner sugar, like a Buckeye. I know this review is going to be kind of short, but yeah. Like I said, it tastes exactly how you'd think. And I mean, if you really love peanut butter, try it. You should definitely try it. That's all I've got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to be a veterinarian, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a doctor, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a health inspector, just have fun with it. I'm sorry about all the cicadas screaming in the background here. Also, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and hitting the little bell for the notifications. That way, whenever I post a brand new video, you know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.